Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this episode, we will be learning how to add arrows in Canva. To add arrows in one of your design in Canva, first of all, open your Canva application and then go ahead and create a design or open up an existing design of yours. Once you open up a design, go to the bottom of the screen and click on Elements. Now, from the top of the screen, look for arrow option and tap on it. You can also search for arrow by typing it down in the search box at the top. Now from the arrow options, look for the arrow you would like to add into your design and tap on it. You will then be able to add the arrow within your design. Go ahead and drag and place the arrow in a desired location within the frame. You can rotate the arrow by using this little rotate icon at the bottom of your arrow element. Place it on a desired area. You can also increase or decrease the size of your arrow by using the little white sliders and white dots within the frame of your selected arrow. You can also change the color of the arrow. To do so, simply tap on your arrow and go to the bottom of the screen, choose color, and select the color you'd like to use for the arrow. Right after you do that, you will then be able to change the color of the arrow as well. Arrows are useful for creating flowcharts, directions, or visual guides within your design. You can combine arrows with text, shapes, and lines for a more structured design in Canva. So that's how you easily add arrow in Canva. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.